Kurz Instruments manufactures thermal mass flow meters for dry and wet gas applications. A probe with two temperature sensors is inserted into the process flow. One sensor provides the process reference temperature. The other sensor is heated to a constant temperature above the process flow. Gas molecules strike the heated sensor and draw away heat. To compensate for the heat loss, additional power is directed to the heated sensor to keep the constant temperature differential. The speed of the flow and the type of gas determines the amount of energy sent to the sensor. The amount of energy used to maintain the differential temperature reflects the mass flow rate. Wet gas is found in digester and landfill environments. It contains mostly methane, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. Daily and seasonal cooling fluctuations commonly reduce the wet gas temperature, causing the water vapor to condense into a heavy fog. The water droplets contacting the heated sensor draw much more energy than dry gas molecules. The extra energy used to compensate for this causes a false high reading. Long cooling periods result in large water droplets forming in the biogas flow, causing water to collect on and drip down the pipe walls. Sensors that have a low overheat are unable to vaporize all the water in larger drops. The excess water spreads across the heated sensor and causes spikes in poor readings. Depending on the overheat, it can take up to 30 minutes for a thermal meter to recover from a large water impact. The Kurz WGF is the solution for monitoring wet gas flows. The heated sensor operates at 300 degrees Celsius above the process temperature, instantly vaporizing any water on contact. With this superheated sensor, the vaporization energy becomes a small portion of the available signal, so the flow reading is relatively unaffected by the water. The vaporized water also creates a momentary cushion around the superheated sensor that diverts water around the sensor. This natural barrier allows the WGF to maintain a high signal-to-noise ratio and provide accurate and repeatable readings. Kurz Instruments provides the innovative solutions for the challenges in biogas applications.